boys, girls, friends, enemies, whoever. It's just going to be one of those days for me. I was going to go to the shop and just get a few bits, not loo rolls or pasta. I wanted a bag of sugar and some tea bags, that's about it. And I've woken up with a cold. Yes, I know it's a cold. The other day out on the bike I didn't put enough layers on, I got pretty cold, and now I've got a cold. Runny nose, the lot. Not impressed. Now I got a message from my daughter Willow. Now you all remember me talking about Willow down in Spain, travelling around the van, doing what teenagers do. Well, Spain was becoming a hot spot. Now her boyfriend has family in Latvia, and they have a shoreside lake villa that they never use. So Will and Ricky thought, yeah, okay, we'll go to Latvia and sit it out in a nice villa. Yeah, they got to the Polish border, about 2 hours, got tested. The irony is they said, well, you can carry on into Poland and you'll get your results by email. Okay. But borders are closing and they're not sure whether they'll actually make it through out of Poland. I feel for them. Not the best position to be in. When you're travelling Europe in a van and a country goes into lockdown, you're a bit goosed, aren't you? I've got a neighbour, they were in Spain for the winter and they decided to make a mad dash for it, and they got back this last Sunday and they said France is in lockdown. Right, yeah, apart from everybody doing what they normally do, and they're still shaking hands and hugging and kissing and going to bars. And this was only, what, 2 days ago. And no public meetings and yeah, typical Gaelic way. Up yours, we'll carry on as normal. And I was listening to XT Donkey this morning and he was talking about bikers being self-isolating. Well, yeah, we are, aren't we? Except I was going to go and get some sugar and some tea bags, but now I don't think walking into a small shop, because I'm not going to supermarkets, sniffling and sniffing would impress anyone. So I'll just have to live on coffee for a while. I'm not the type of person that is addicted, so if I go without sugar, I go without sugar. I just enjoy a spot in my tea and coffee. When I was driving trucks, you quite often run out of things. You'd pack for a week and be away for 2. It's not something I'm not used to. So, seriously, this virus thingamabob, is it actually bothering you that much? I mean, yes, I think us older riders will probably take some sensible precautions, but I can't think of anybody in the group of people that watch my videos that would go out panic buying loo rolls. Why? Fucks your lungs, not your arse. bless. People have no... are not in touch with reality, are they? They're mass buying pasta. It will be... But, as somebody observed on another vlog, I can't remember who it was at this moment, they went in, there was no pasta, but the shelves were stocked full of pasta sauces and other ingredients. Damned if I want to eat plain pasta. Yeah, I booked an online delivery from one of the big supermarkets. We'll see what arrives, but I've ordered what I normally order. No doubling up, no extras. If the world runs out of food, it runs out of food and I lose a bit of weight. Sort of a result. And if I catch coronavirus and die, don't have to pay me credit cards off. So whatever happens, life is a result. I just don't give a flip, do I? I'm sure if I get it and I come down ill, I shall probably not be happy about it, but I'm very fatalistic in life. My old man went through the World War II, paratrooper, SAS, he moved out to the Gulf, Aden, all that sort of stuff, and he once said to me, he said, son, if your number's up, it's up. You're going to get run over by a bus when you're in the Gobi Desert. You will get run over by a bus. Life is too short to worry about how, where and when. And I think it's true. Yeah, you take sort of sensible precautions, but then beyond that, que sera. Nobody knows what's gonna happen. Je ne sais quoi. No one cares. What are your views on, not on the virus, I'm sick of hearing about the virus, but on life? What are your views on life? Are you worried about living a long and healthy life? Do you avoid dangerous situations? I know I never bloody have. That's dangerous, Alan, don't do it. Ah, we'll give it a try. I'll never get that Land Rover up that hill. I rolled it. Yeah. Don't laugh in the face of danger. I'm just not very good at weighing up the odds. Oh, bless. That's me though. What about you? Any good at weighing up odds and options? Are you the cautious sort? I'm afraid when I was born they missed the caution gene. That's about it really, isn't it? It's a ramble. A mumble and a ramble. I'm thinking of my daughter, who may be stuck in Poland. Not a bad place to be, but not where they want to be. And I also worry about Willow because she has acute asthma. So, yeah, but she's a bit like me. She's not going to take any precautions. She really won't. Sadly, the genes, I'll get the word right in a minute, the genes didn't pass on to her either. She's done some pretty silly things, but then all my daughters have. Oh, bless. You know what to do. Ride safe, be happy, and smile at the miserable buggers. Bye.